Do you take Tabitha to protect and care for her as your wife?
Absolutely.
Do you take Patrick as your husband to love him and stand by him, to share all that you are with him and care for him the rest of your life?
Yes.
It's so wonderful to be here with one of the most amazing women I've ever met. I'm gonna cry.
I want to thank everyone for coming tonight to celebrate with Pat and Tabitha their union and marriage. I would like to thank Tabitha's family for raising such a caring young lady, and for Pat and I's mother and father for raising Pat to be the man he is today.
From this day forward, I promise to love you and to celebrate our lives together.
To thank you and you delight me, to weigh the effects of the words I speak, to learn compassion with you,
and never take you for granted.
Everyone in life has hurdles we face, but the true character of an individual is how we react to them. Together, they have helped one another in raising their children. They have built a home together, and most importantly, they have grown into one.
May all your joys be pure joys, and may all your pains be champagne.
In the name of the Father, Son, and Holy Spirit, I now pronounce you one. Together, you are now husband and wife. Patrick, you may kiss your bride.